Hi guys, this is Grace and welcome to another process video. This is the second video for my scrapbook with Project Life card series, and I'm sorry my voice sounds kind of awful. I am battling some congestion. I was very sick during the winter break, which was a bummer. But anyways, this layout will start off with kind of a maroon cardstock and then this Christmas themed paper that's a double-sided one with some poinsettias, is that how you call them? The flowers on one side and then stripes on the other. And then I'm just going to build my 4 photos on the bottom right, and then fill in the rest of the layout with some 3x4 cards and also a couple of 4x6. So in this layout, I just really wanted to use up some of these cards as they are. I will be cutting a few of them, like these arrows that I've shown. They are from a 4x6 card that I've just cut the arrows on there. And then, of course, I'm going to use that big I love this, and that's going to be my title. Now, these tickets that I am tucking in on the top, that's actually from another 4x6 card that I just cut out that part. I'm going to try to get through this video without coughing. We'll see. It's been a rough go, and I have videos that I needed to put up on my YouTube channel, so I'm going to try to do this as best as I can. Now, I would like to ink up the edges, but I decided instead of using my regular gray that I will use a pink one. And then, like I said, there's 4 3x4 photos. I actually used I believe I used a 4x6 card and then cut that into, no, I actually used a 3x4 card and then cut that into triangles. And that's what I use kind of like as a photo corner on the 4 sides of my layout. So let me count. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So as of last count, I have 8 Project Life cards that I'm using on this layout. And then that paper that's on the middle, that's also a PL card that I'm actually just going to use a small piece of it, but I'm going to count that as my 9th card that I'm using for this layout. So a little bit about the layout itself. I'm documenting just a fun outing that my family and I did. It wasn't this winter break, but it was probably about 2 years ago, where we went to Steak and Shake. I don't know if you have those in your area, but during weekdays they would have their happy hour where they would have their shakes and their drinks all 50% off. And because it was a winter break and the kids and my husband and I were home, we decided to do the happy hour. So we had shakes, and that was one of like the fun things that we did for winter break. And so that's going to be basically my layout. I did layer up all of those cards as you see on the other side. And I hope that you guys like this video. And if you have any other suggestions or what I could have done with this layout, let me know in the description box below. I will finish it off with a little bit of rhinestones. And that's going to be it for this layout. I hope to see you on the next one. Bye.